Let's get you all the big political updates coming in from Bengal. We saw a fiery face-off yesterday between Home Minister Amit Shah and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and expect that to continue today because the Home Minister is in fact continuing his Bengal visit. This is day 2 of his visit, and he's today going to be addressing a rally on Didi's turf in Kolkata. Now, Shah will be paying tributes to Biplabi Bangla, the revolutionary freedom fighter of West Bengal. That's at 11:45 this morning at the National Library. He will then inaugurate an exhibition on freedom fighters and flag off a cycle rally also in the state. Shah had yesterday attended a series of events in Bengal and also flagged off the last phase of the Parivartan Yatra in the state. He lashed out at Mamata, accusing her of promoting corruption and also nepotism, referring to her nephew Abhishek Banerjee. Mamata immediately hit back, vowing not to let the BJP form its government in Bengal.
ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की लड़ाई, ये बंगाल को सोनार बांग्ला बनाने की लड़ाई है और ये लड़ाई हमारे बूथ के कार्यकर्ता और तृणमूल कांग्रेस की सिंडिकेट के बीच की लड़ाई है। सिंडिकेट के बीच की लड़ाई, ये सिंडिकेट वाले जो है वो आप लोगों तक आपका फायदा नहीं पहुंचने देते। मुझे बताओ, ये सिंडिकेट वालों को बदलने का काम आप करोगे या नहीं करोगे?
অমিত শাহ জেনে রাখো, যা ভোটে আমরা এতদিন জিতে এসেছি, 2021-এ আমরা সমস্ত রেকর্ড ভাঙবো এবং 2021-এ সবচেয়ে বেশি ভোটে সবচেয়ে বেশি সিটে আমরা জিতবো। এটা সারা বাংলা, সারা ভারতবর্ষকে দেখিয়ে দেবে।
Let me take this across to Prema Rajaram, who's joining us live from Kolkata. Prema, good morning. Just give us a sense of what's on the agenda for Home Minister Amit Shah on day 2 of his Bengal visit.
Well, on day 2 of his Bengal visit, like you mentioned, Akshita, he will be paying tribute to martyrs and, of course, in a way telling the people of Bengal that the BJP is concerned about what the people here think and the culture of Bengal, and that is what he wants to do when it comes to paying tribute to the martyrs, because that is also part of the history of Bengal. And somewhere Amit Shah wants to take forward the message and the tone of day 1 of his visit in West Bengal, where he reached out to the people, whether it was the people in South 24 Parganas district, whether it was the Hindu voters, whether it was the refugee population, by visiting a family of a refugee family and having lunch with them, that the BJP here is concerned about all communities in West Bengal and about the culture of West Bengal, and that is exactly what he wants to do on day 2 by paying tribute to the martyrs and inaugurating this exhibition. Back to you, Akshita.
Okay, Prema, thank you for joining us with those details. From 11:45, Home Minister Amit Shah is expected to kick off his schedule for day 2 in Bengal. Now, ahead of the assembly elections in the state, again, there is a focus on the kind of violence that's broken out in the state. The TMC government has blamed the railway minister for a bomb attack on the TMC minister, Zakir Hussain. BJP is hit back, saying that the attack proves that there is a law and order problem in the state.
Massive surge in pre-poll violence in West Bengal. A chilling blast caught on camera. TMC Minister Zakir Hussain seriously hurt after explosives allegedly kept on Murshidabad station went off. 20 people were injured in the blast. The Bengal CID hinted that crude explosives were put on the platform in a black bag, adding that attackers may have prior knowledge about the minister's visit. While Mamata claimed a massive conspiracy, BJP blamed TMC in fighting for the attack, daring Didi to order a CBI probe.
আমি জানি না রেলওয়ে এত বড় ঘটনার পরে কি করে এটাকে ক্যাজুয়ালি নিচ্ছে। ইটস এ ভেরি বিগ কনস্পিরেসি। 3টে টিমকে লাগানো হয়েছে। সুতরাং সত্যি ঘটনাটা খুঁজে বের করাই আমাদের কাজ এবং আমরা খুঁজে বের করব।
Amid all this, TMC BJP workers fought street wars in Kolkata after a BJP delegation going to meet the city top cop faced barbs from TMC men. Party's Kolkata chief Shibaji Roy was grievously hurt in fist fights and stone pelting. BJP's Shuvendu Adhikari had a narrow escape. Amid street wars and bomb blasts, BJP made a sensational charge, calling a plot to turn Bengal into Pakistan.
আমরা এর ঘোর নিন্দা করছি এবং এই ধরনের সমস্ত আক্রমণের সিবিআই তদন্ত করছি। এই সরকারের যদি হিম্মত থাকে সিবিআই তদন্ত করুক, তাহলে সত্যি এর পিছনে কি আছে জানা যাবে।
Violence and lawlessness peaking in Bengal in run-up to polls, making the upcoming polls perhaps the bloodiest in India's history. With Indrajit Kundu, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.